I'm an advisor to online retailers. Online retailers will often come to me to make more money. We need to increase our profitability. We want to increase the value of our asset. We need to find out how to attack that. What I did quite well was talk to people one-on-one and work with them to uncover what needed to be done in their business to rapidly escalate profits. And we're going to hear from Ovi later, who's the GM of eShopping Group, one of my clients, on exactly how he's been able to achieve that 100% profit growth. That's my goal, right? 100% profit growth in 12 months. That's my goal for all of the brands that I work with. And I've got a bloody good track record of helping businesses do that. So what we're going to talk about today, the agenda is point 1, aligning your purpose with your strategy. Point 2, I'm going to take you through my e-commerce profit system. And in section 3, I'm going to ask you guys to kind of dive in with me to your own businesses a little bit. And I'm going to run a bit of a survey with you to traffic light or benchmark your own businesses or the businesses that you work in. Step 4, I'm going to take you through a little interactive thing that I call the 3-year future planning model. So again, I'm going to rely on you guys to help me a little bit there. And then I'm going to take you through a typical 6-week sprint of how you would make rapid improvements in your business. So I want to talk to you about my philosophy. And you'll notice I talk a lot about what drives me, and I want to dive into what drives you, because that's how you set a strategy. A strategy is not a random collection of ideas or goals. You really need to understand why you're actually in business. So for me, this is my strategy when working with online retailers whether they're beginners in Ecom Start, the course, or whether they're in Ecom100 and they're $50 million businesses. It's the same goal. So we're driven by profit, not sales. We believe that profit changes lives, sales changes absolutely nothing. We improve founders' lives, not their suppliers. We master the monotony, we promote margins, not discounts. We build cash positive businesses, and we know how to make money. And that's what I'm going to be talking about today, how to make money. So I want to start with this, any mug can make sales, which is, I've got a whole bunch of cheesy sayings which I like to put on repeat. Who can tell me what I mean by this one? The winner is going to get a mug. Okay, what do I mean by any mug can make sales? You get a mug. And this is the thing. This is exactly right. It's so easy to make sales. I learned that when I was 23. I had my first business, and I was rich on paper. My friends were like, "Oh man, you've got a business. You've got 200 outlets, wholesale outlets. You've got 5 retail stores. You're raking it in." And I really wasn't. But what I learned was it's so easy to make sales. It's so easy to make revenue. Because all you need to do to make sales is overspend on Facebook ads. All you need to do to make sales is discount your product by 30%. But it's very different art to make profit. And then profit is one thing, but you can still fall into administration while profitable. Making cash is the real thing that changes your lives.